KubeCon Europe 2025. It has been an incredible week because this event was followed by a lot of many collateral events, breakfast and branded events. It has been an incredible week in London, 15,000 people attendees, and I saw all the type of audience from CEO, general manager, but also engineer, volunteer, and people that just passionate about Kubernetes and open source technologies. And we were all together in the same venue, crossing our road, bumping on each other, and somehow also being not too much organized was part of experience. Be able to discover new projects and new startups. I really like the booth area because you can speak with everybody and everybody has a story to tell about new product, new things to do, new methodologies. And well, as expected, there was a lot of AI this year, especially because the type of workload require unpredictable and sometimes also orchestrate a lot of different resources. And Kubernetes seems a natural place to be because it can leverage like scaling of inference services and be able to manage a lot of open source technology, integrate different type of libraries, integrate with API, microservice. That is something that we already know. But what really surprised me is that there was a lot of accent on observability, especially with open telemetry and all these type of technologies. Because in the end, I mean, like the same best practice that we apply to software, like for software lifecycle, for software delivery, we can apply also to machine learning models and all this type of application. So I have a feeling that the next big thing about AI will be based on Kubernetes, so keep a close eye on that. But also what surprised me is that such a vibrant community from people from all over the world, people from the States, West Coast, East Coast, people from, I met people from Korea, I met people from Japan, people from Singapore, and everybody was flying here, just because they want to attend in person, because it's being in person, the real experience. All the presentations are being recorded, so will be available after that, but the possibility to speak with a speaker, to connect each other, to receive a book signed by an author is quite unique. By the way, I also presented my latest book, Kubernetes Recipes, and I'm super excited to share with you and the world the content of it. And also did an interview for a podcast. My editor was there, so we are developing on a lot of interesting initiatives for this summertime, so keep an eye open on my social media and all my communication platform. So it has been an incredible week. I mean, I just try to digest and sleep over because it was just a few days, but I mean, there was also the rejects, the conference of presentation not accepted to KubeCon that is super. It had some interesting content. There was also some collateral event. I personally participate in KubeTrain, a sustainable initiative to reach out this venue by train. And I mean, there was a lot of like evening events and possibility. I had a chat talking about CEO and people that see the world as a playground, because the new evolution of AI, the agentic AI, is very interesting. How we connect together the service, how we leverage WASM as a technology, as we connect the microservice, microservice become also API, how we do experiment tracking, how we evaluate one AI better than the other. So I see that this world is getting very interesting, and I'm super thankful to have attended KubeCon 2025. Thank you for following, and well, I'm not in London, but it's been an incredible week so far. Thank you very much. Bye.